new me is really still the real me. I off and they don't know when to stop. And then when you get to the top, and I see that you've been learning. And why you champagne, but you love some Henny.
What's up, B Squad, and welcome back to my channel. So I have something pretty interesting for you guys today. Today I am doing a makeup haul, but I'm also doing a mukbang. I think that's how you say it. So I'm going to be eating and also showing you all the stuff that I've gotten from PR, packages I've received, drugstore makeup I've bought, and also some things that I got from Ulta. And y'all gonna be eating some tacos with me today too as well. So if you're interested in that, then please keep on watching. And go hit the subscribe button, boo, join the B Squad. So makes my boobies smell. So I did a little clip of like what food I have. So I'm obsessed with tacos and wings. Like those are that's my shit. Like, I'm having a bad day, I need some tacos. And if y'all hear some smacking, it's my dog chewing on this rawhide. Like, bruh, he part of the mukbang too. He is destroying it. I love tacos, and my boyfriend gets tacos like twice a week. We're obsessed. So I have 5 that I can eat along with like some rice and beans. Let's see how many I'll get through. We'll see. But yeah, let's just get into it. So they have like this little salsa here. Let me show you the salsa like I show y'all the products, okay? There she go, there she go. And we're gonna take the rice and we're gonna put it on the taco. I'm just gonna go ahead and prep this one so I can do the makeup and then we can go. If you love tacos, give me a big thumbs up because we should be friends, like I'm obsessed. Just feeds the soul. So if you notice today, I just threw on a unit. Don't really have any makeup on. I put a little bit of concealer in my eyes because I just switched back to night shift and I'm trying to transition my sleeping schedule and I've been struggling, so I ain't been getting no sleep. Other than that, I can't see y'all raw and rare. So let's just start with, I'm gonna start with some of the drugstore products that I got today that I've never tried before. So one drugstore brand that I have not tried before is Hard Candy. I've been hearing pretty good like reviews and stuff about them. I've seen a couple people use their like items and products in their videos like on Instagram and stuff, and I just wanted to give it a try. So I was in Walmart today and I got this. It's their primer mist, and I've been using the Mario Badescu like sprays on my face. I ran out of that and I was using the NYX spray as my setting spray. I've tried both dewy and matte, so I wanted to see if I could find some other like drugstore brands that I could use like on the day-to-day. So I'm gonna try this as a primer mist, and I got another type of spray as a setting spray. But when I looked online, they had like a yeah, so I'm one of those people who be in Walmart like Googling stuff like. It's gonna be harder than I think, really. When I looked it up, it had like a 4.3, I think, rating on the websites that I saw. So to me, that's pretty good. It had a significant amount of reviews, so I'm like, okay. It's coconut water infused. It's supposed to be hydrating mist primer, and it says 12-hour power. Electrolytes energize plus hydrate skin, and it's oil free and silicone free. The next thing that I got from Walmart today was the Maybelline Master Chrome Face Metallic Highlighter. I've heard so many good things about this like on social media and on like YouTube and stuff like that, and I was always like, man, I'm like obsessed with highlighters, so I don't want to continue to buy highlighters, but I actually need more highlighters now. And because I was using the ColourPop one, but I'm running out, so I'm trying to try like a bunch of different brands instead of just using the same brands over and over again. This one's in 100 Molten Gold. Y'all, my girls, they just trying to come on out today. And get started on taco number 2. I also got, so I got another Fit Me concealer. I actually really like the Fit Me concealers. I don't know. So last time I bought, I've always worn Cafe, but last time I bought, I don't know, the shade I bought was way too light, and I was just like, what the heck? Anyway, so I went back and got the actual Cafe. It's 50. To me, it looked darker. I think that's why last time I didn't get this one, but I'm hoping it's the same shade that I've always used. So I also have this Rimmel Scandalized Retro Glam Mascara. I actually received this in the PR package that they sent me. They had an event here in Chicago, and somebody reached out to me to invite me. They asked if they send me a package of their products before, and I said, of course, like, of course. The event was fun, and I was very excited to get some PR from like a company like Rimmel, because it's a big company. But yeah, so I have this. I have a ton of like drugstore products that I can do drugstore looks with. They also sent me their lasting finish breathable primer. It's supposed to be up to 8 hours of makeup. It has like a purplish tint to it when you put it on. I mean, but it's primer, so it doesn't really matter. But it does have like a purplish tint to it, so I thought that was interesting. And it's like a weird consistency, but it says it's lightweight. They did send me the PR package, and they sent me like 3 shades of this long-lasting finish 25-hour foundation that they have. I say so much. Yeah, so they sent this to me in 3 shades, and the shade that I think I picked was 503. They sent me 503. Yeah, 503 was my shade. It worked out for me. 502 was Noisette, and 504 is Deep Mocha. For some reason, I can't find 503 right now, but that's the one that actually matched my skin, and I used. Okay, I'm gonna try to just finish out the Rimmel products that I received in PR in here, so I won't have to keep bouncing back and forth, so you guys like won't get confused as to what was sent to me and what I bought, because that's annoying. So this baby broke, so I gotta fix it, and I'm very upset. They sent me this eyeshadow it's a like holographic eyeshadow, and it's supposed to also be used as a face highlighter. This is the green one, so it's the color Mint Meteor, and I also have it in lilac, which is a like light purple color. They're like so super shimmery. The packaging reminds me of Sigma Beauty's packaging. They sent me one of their Stay Mac liquid lip colors, and this one is in the shade Be My Baby. I'll be your baby. So I don't know, I'll probably have to use a liner for this because it looks like it's a tad bit light, but I'm interested in trying this out because I think this is one of their newer products. They sent me the Magnifies Blush Edition Eye Contouring Palette. And they sent me the Brow This Way Medium Brown. I feel like this is going to be too light. I don't know, some of the stuff that I have that I'm not going to use, I kind of want to give it away in the giveaway if y'all are interested. I don't have a large amount of followers or like subscribers or whatever, so it's not, I don't know. We'll just see. We'll see what happens, because I need to get rid of some of this stuff. I think I'm going to donate some of it to like a women's shelter or something like that. They also sent me the Insta Duo Contour Stick. I tried this out. I don't know. I'm still trying to gauge if I like it or not. I don't know. But one side is a highlighting stick. Can y'all see that? And then the other side is like this, but it's a contour shade. This is kind of, ooh. This is like glowy as fuck. Look at that. Damn. I need to put this on, then put that chrome on top of it. Big, gonna be shining like the sun. All right, getting distracted from my tacos. Y'all, this is hard. This is a fail. What? The show must go on. It is currently 12:42 a.m. and I'm just chilling out, talking to y'all, eating tacos, because I'm on night shift and my schedule's all weird. And I got me a drink. All right, guys, I forgot one more thing. One more thing that I received for Rimmel was this Wonderfully Real mascara with keratin Bitch, this is my new favorite drugstore mascara. It is so good. It's like, this is what it looks like. It's like pink and shiny, and like it makes my eyelashes grow so much. Like I'm like, what the heck? Like where have you been? So jumping back over to things I purchased to try out. One thing is this black opal. It's like a soft velvet, I think the name of it, soft velvet finishing powder. I really like this. I feel like it's, I've been looking for like a drugstore dupe for something in my shade that I can like use to like brush off my Sacha or like just make my skin look more skin-like. And I think this serves that purpose very well. It's very light. And I have mine in like the shade medium. So I like this one a lot. I wanted to share it with y'all. I already tried it, but I already like been using it, but I really like this one. Also, I love the L'Oreal True Match foundation. I wear it in the shade C6, which is soft sable. And I recently noticed that they have like concealers that like correlate with the shade. So it's like this concealer is for cool, and like on the thing it was like on here it says like C6, 7, and 8. So if you wear a shade C6, 7, and 8, it's supposed to be a good concealer for you. I don't know. Bitch, look how fucking small this is. Like, bruh. L'Oreal, who you playing? This was $10. $10. Like, why did I even buy this? I don't know. I just was so curious that I just had to do it. Like, so something else I picked up from the drugstore is the e.l.f. Illuminating Misting Set. So I actually searched Google and I was like best drugstore primers, and this popped up as like the second one. I honestly did not know that they had an illuminating one. Actually, it just said e.l.f. Misting Set. So they have an illuminating one. They also have a, I think, matte one or long wear. I think it's matte. They have a matte one and an illuminating one. I chose the illuminating one because being dewy and glowy this summer is like so in, and so like what is hot right now. So this is what I'm gonna try out as my new setting spray. It was like $4, very cheap. Can't mix makeup and food, but they both like, I love them both the same. Like makeup, food, especially chocolate. So I've been using the Duo, the white eyelash, what is it? The white eyelash glue, and I don't know, I'm just getting tired of it. I feel like it just doesn't work for me. I needed something with a brush or something different because I was just over it. So I tried the the Duo brush on strip lash adhesive. It's the green box. I think they have like a pink, a blue, and a green. And this is very sticky. I just don't know if it's long lasting. I don't know, I'm still trying to figure it out. I have tried this one out a couple days ago. So yeah, have y'all tried this before? Let me know down below. And if you know better solutions, then let me know, because I'm in search of a good eyelash glue. Another thing that I'm obsessed with, like face masks and skincare right now, because I feel like I do not take care of my skin like I need to, and I want to do better. I actually saw these on Jackie Aina's channel because like that's my girl. Are these Hydra Boost masks by Neutrogena. Actually, this one's Hydro Boost. Oh, bitch cannot talk. This one's Hydro Boost. This one is Deep Clean, but they're both hydrogel masks. I've never tried the Deep Clean, but I have tried this one before, and it just feels so good on the face. Like, I love the way the gel mask feels on my skin. I just feel like it's super calming and relaxing. If you have not tried them and you're looking for a drugstore one to try, then try these out. My skin felt like super like soft and moisturized after I used it. And I also got one of these Yes to tomatoes masks. It says acne fighting, so I've been like having like small little breakouts like around the perimeter of my face and stuff like that, so I think this will help. This is actually a paper mask, and this is very popular, so I know y'all have seen this before. So now we're gonna go on to the high-end things that I bought from Ulta or received as a gift. So the first and foremost thing, I'm gonna go ahead and put it out there because this is like, people are going crazy about this product, and it is the Born This Way foundation. So for those of you that are not aware, maybe I should just show this Born This Way foundation. For those of you that are not aware, Jackie Aina collaborated with Too Faced to expand the shades that were offered in the Born This Way foundation. So they added some additional shades to it, which is really cool because a lot of people didn't wear this foundation because they just didn't have the shade. As for me, I was in between Chestnut and Chai. So Chestnut was in the original brand and Chai was like one of the ones that Jackie came up with. But I went with Chestnut because Chai looked like it was too red for me. I like looked on YouTube videos. But yeah, if y'all want a review on this, then let me know. There's a ton on the internet, so I didn't feel the need to do one. I bitch got the hangover primer. Everybody been raving about this, and I'm ready to be replenished. I'm about to choke myself. I'm ready to be replenished and thriving and living my best life. It say proactive me, man. Go ahead. I'm ready. I've waited. The time is now. But yeah, this has like coconut water in it. And it's silicone free, so I'm excited to like use this along with the Born This Way foundation. I also bought another Tarte Shape Tape. So I was originally using the shade Deep. Deep is like my skin tone, basically, shade. It's not like a highlighter shade or anything like that. But they did come out with a new, a couple new shades of this, which I thought was really cool. And one of them was tan deep sand, so it was between sand and deep. So I was like, that might be perfect. And I actually think that this color matches very well to be like an under eye concealer for me. It's like just bright enough like for it to work. So onto the freebies I received. So one freebie I got was the NARS Orgasm Blush, which people have been like talking about. I don't know if it's dark enough for my skin tone, and I don't normally wear blush, but I will try it out because like you gotta switch your look up sometimes. I'm very excited about this gift because it's just like the packaging cute. It's NARS, it's a vibe. Like thank you, happy birthday to me. And also Clinique. I freaking love Clinique so much. Like the brand is just amazing to me. I got like mini size of the, can you see that? Dramatically Different moisturizing lotion. Give me a thumbs up if you like tacos, or give me a thumbs up if you like makeup. That should be like everybody. Otherwise, while you're watching this, make sure you hit the subscribe button, become part of the B Squad. Let me know if y'all like random videos like this, because I'm just trying to branch out and find new things, and I thought it'd be kind of funny to do both. But yeah, that's it. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you for tuning in. I will see y'all next time. Make sure you follow me on social media. Instagram at the lovely B with three E's and an underscore. I'll put it down there for y'all to click on. Follow me. Let's be friends. Let's do the damn thing and slay together, okay? So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.